In the heart of a city that never seemed to sleep, there lived a young woman named Lily. From the moment she could hold a crayon, colors were her language. The canvas? That was her sacred ground, her playground. Lily wasn't just good, she was brilliant. Everyone saw it. Her teachers called it raw talent. Her friends saw the magic in her fingertips. Her parents, they encouraged her, pushing her to chase that glittering, audacious dream, to become a world-renowned artist whose work could stir souls and inspire people across the globe. But talent, as we all know, is just the spark. It's the easy part. Lily had a secret, a quiet, insidious struggle that threatened to choke out her potential. She was a master of distraction. That burning desire to paint. It constantly lost the fight against the siren call of the screen. Her mind was a digital butterfly, flitting from social media to email, to the endless scroll of viral videos, or just floating away in a hazy daydream about a perfect future project. She'd always whisper the same lie to herself: "I'll paint later. I have time." But that mythical later never showed up. Deadlines turned into dust. Opportunities, those precious doors to her dreams, slammed shut right in front of her. Her studio wasn't a gallery of masterpieces. It was a graveyard of unfinished promises. One day, Lily put everything on the line. She entered a major, prestigious art competition. This was her shot at proving she was the real deal. She spent days planning. She rehearsed the moment of victory in her head. She did everything but the work. On the final day, the panic was a physical blow. Her sketches were chaos. Her ideas were scattered shrapnel. She couldn't pull it together. She couldn't finish. She lost, defeated. She sank onto the floor of her tiny studio, surrounded by silent, accusing canvases. In that moment of rock-bottom clarity, the crushing truth hit her. Raw talent alone is a cruel joke. It was the key to the door, but it wasn't the fuel for the journey. She didn't need inspiration. She needed discipline. Driven by this new fire, Lily sought help. She found Mr. Hawkins, a quiet, legendary artist who had a reputation for training not just great painters, but great minds. Mr. Hawkins didn't talk about brushstrokes. He talked about focus. He talked about patience. He talked about building habits that lead to consistent, undeniable growth. He looked at Lily, his eyes kind but firm, and delivered the truth she desperately needed. Lily, art isn't just about the flash of inspiration. It's about the grind. It's about practice. It's about learning to quiet the noise, that wild, chattering chaos in your own mind. Then, he gave her the 4 pillars of creation. A simple, life-changing manifesto. 1. Dedicate your time daily. Pick a fixed time to paint. Make it non-negotiable. No excuses. 2. Break it down. A huge canvas is overwhelming. Stop looking at the finish line. Focus on 1 square inch at a time. 3. Eliminate the killers. Phones, notifications, social media. They don't inspire you. They assassinate your creativity. Lock them out of the room. 4. Reflect and adjust. At the end of every session, step back. Celebrate the small wins. Learn. Don't judge your mistakes. Lily committed. She set her alarm for 2 hours of dedicated painting every single morning. She banished her phone to another room. She cleared her mind, determined to focus solely on the work. It was excruciating. Her mind resisted with the fury of a caged animal. The days felt long and frustrating, but slowly, painstakingly, the rhythm took over. Discipline became her muscle memory. Weeks later, Lily submitted her next piece to a prestigious gallery showcase. This time, the work was different. It was polished, it was intentional, it was absolutely overflowing with emotion. She didn't just get a nod, she won first place. It wasn't luck. It wasn't just that spark of talent she was born with. It was the unstoppable fire she had built with consistency and dedication. Lily finally understood the most powerful lesson of her life. Talent is the spark, but discipline is the fire that forges dreams into reality. She never forgot Mr. Hawkins' final defining words: discipline turns chaos into creation. The mind is your most important tool. Train it, respect it, and it will take you farther than talent ever could. So remember this: no matter what your canvas is, talent can start the journey, but discipline will be the engine that gets you to the destination. Start small, stay consistent, tame your wild mind, and it will carry you exactly where you were meant to go. 2G. Master your mind, master your life.